Okay, let's take a look at a really easy lo-fi reverb made from a slinky. All right, at this end we have just a speaker taped to one end of the slinky, and working our way up here, got a little contact mic, and just nailed it into the wall. So, how this thing works, we've got our input, our instrument going into the speaker. The sound, the vibrations the speaker creates move through the slinky and are picked up by the contact mic. I think some of the sounds probably also travel up all the way and down, giving a little more reverb, but I don't know. Anyway, let's just listen to this, how this sounds quickly. First, we'll listen to the Live in XFM. I've got one input going into the Spring Reverb, or Slinky Reverb, I guess I should call it, and one going straight into my audio interface so I can mix between them. So, let's see how this sounds. Obviously, there's a lot of noise. Maybe I'll try to remove some in post, but I'm not sure I will actually bother. And I'm just playing with this little MIDI keyboard here. Okay, let's just take our headphone jack over to the Micro Freak. The headphone jack is really noisy on the Micro Freak, so sorry about that. Wish I could play with this. Let's do the same thing again with the TD3 right there. And I'll just give you a taste of how it sounds with the PO rhythm here. I think it's a PO12. Good enough. So yeah, here's a little idea of how this little Spring Reverb works. Cool.